Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to remove passkey on Roblox. So first, you want to open your web browser and you want to go here to Roblox and you want to make sure that you have logged in into your account. And it's important that you do this in your browser because if you're doing this in the Roblox application, you won't be able to find the passkey. So once you're here, you're going to go to the top right corner where you'll be able to see the settings. Then you want to click on it. Then you're going to click on settings. Then over here, you want to make sure that you're in account info. Then under login methods, you'll be able to see passkey. Then you're just going to click on manage. Then you'll be able to see your passkey over here. Then you're just going to click on the trash bin icon in order to remove it. And after that, just click on delete key. Then you're just going to do the two-step verification. And after that, you'll be able to remove the passkey from your Roblox account. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.